Hi guys. Hey, through the years I've had a lot of really cool RC cars, planes, model kits, whatever. But recently I was able to acquire one of these babies and man, Super Clod Buster. It is like the ultimate RC monster truck. And whoops. Just wanted to do a unboxing. I know there's been plenty of people have done them on YouTube, but this is my first. So here is the glass. Very cool. Oh man, these tires are just unbelievable how big they are. Wow. And yep, what a smell. Everybody smells their new Tamiya tires and stuff, and I know why. Oh man, I'll tell you, this is just too cool. I'm so glad I was able to get this. Here is headlights, gray grill pieces, lights, the back of the lights, and roll bar parts. Excuse me. A great tailgate and a few other parts. Now what's kind of odd is it's also got a black grill with the black lights and a black tailgate, along with the same other parts that were just in that, but in black. Okay, that's different. Got the Kajungus huge. Oh, there's a couple bearings in there. Cool. The absolutely enormous bag of gears and hardware. Very cool. The huge wheels. Man, those things. This is just too cool. I mean, to be able to have one of these is just something I've wanted since I first seen them in the hobby shop back at, oh god, it was oh god, I can't even remember the guy's name. That's sad. There was a guy and he had a hobby shop out in Tucson, and I can't even remember his name. That's sad. A good friend of mine worked there, Lance. But anyway, here's the ESC. Very cool. It can run lipo, and I normally on my Tamiya I don't run lipo, but with this one, it is 2 and 3, I think all the way up to 4 cell compatible. So I'm definitely gonna do that. There's a bag of wheels. There are pieces of the, look like the outdrives, kingpins, the gearboxes. Man, those suckers are stout. I mean, lifting this box, this is the heaviest RC car box I've ever lifted. I mean, it is crazy. Got your antenna tube, all your blue shock parts, suspension parts, bumpers. Man, this is just too dang cool. Here's your bumpers, front bumper, rear bumper, typical Chevy bumper looking deal. There's your suspension links, suspension arms. Man, I mean, I just can't get over the weight of these parts. This thing is just a flipping monster. Get it? Monster truck? No, just kidding. But there's your battery doors. Or battery, not doors, but where you put the battery. Man. Yeah, I'm just so glad I was able to get this. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Gonna go through it and see how many bearings are in it, what these bearings go to, because I think I'm still gonna have to buy a bearing kit for it. I'm not gonna build it until I get the bearings, because I want to build it right, you know. Here are the supercharger parts. Awesome. And that awesome square body Chevrolet GMC. Man, I love this body style. I had a 75 Chevrolet like this. I'm just going to leave this one gray. There's a couple of places in it that kind of don't look the best, where the casting deal is in the molding process, but the decals are going to cover some of it. Here's a massive chassis, shock holes all over the each wheel. It's got 6 it runs 2 shocks to each wheel, so it's got 3 mounting points for each shock. Very cool. Man, all kinds of room in there for all the big boy parts. And got your decals, Super Clod Buster, and then it's got these chrome blue and black decals, which are just very cool. Here are the 2 huge excuse me, the 2 huge 540 motors. All the other hardware, man, brass parts, all kinds of screws and nuts. Wow. Definitely taking my time building this thing. These are evidently what attaches your wheel to the suspension parts. There's another, looks like another roll bar. Very cool, guys. I am just completely in awe at this thing. Like I said, I've always wanted a Clod Buster back since I was a kid, and man, unreal. Very, very cool. I'm just really thankful to have it. Man, it's been a long time coming. But yeah, so I will probably get started on here a little bit at a time. Like I said, I'm in no rush to get it done because I want to make sure I have all the bearings, because I'm not going to put it together and then, you know, end up having to tear it all apart to put bearings in it. I want to make sure it's done right the first time. Yeah, guys, I appreciate you watching, and if you guys have got the Clod Busters and that, the only thing I've seen on them as far as building is you got to watch there's a little nut that when you put the 2 halves of the differential together, you got to remember to put a little nut in there, and it's actually got an arrow on it on the instruction manual, which I have out in the other room. But yeah, so, well, guys, thanks for watching, and I will do some more further updates of this Super Clod Buster. This is going to be a very, very cool build, and like I said, I can't wait to get her running. Man, this will be a lot of fun. It's got 4-wheel steer. Just awesome. So, thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care.